We really fell in love with the neighborhood. It's a nice family-friendly place with a lot of charm. One thing our family loves to do is ride our bike down to the main downtown area to dinner, get ice cream. We can bike over to the park. We recently purchased this home in the fall. It was built in 1951. We're excited to making improvements to make it the home that works for our family. We noticed that there was some water all over the floor in the bathroom. We could tell it was coming from the toilet. We have young children. We're doing potty training right now. Our bathroom is one of the most important rooms in our house. We call Caccia because we know we can count on them to come to our home, and then we create a plan to fix the problem. Having OFA come in to help us replace our toilet really has been great. I also noticed that I had some water that was flooding my kitchen countertop. So OFA came in and assessed the garbage disposal, and we learned that it needed to be replaced as well. With Caccia, I know that it will be a great experience. I feel comfortable and I trust them in my home and with my family.